Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into a memory upgrade that could seriously boost your laptop's performance. The PNY Performance 64GB DDR4 SODIMM kit. This kit comes with two 32GB sticks running at a speedy 3200 MHz. For those unfamiliar, SODIMM is the type of RAM used in laptops and other small form factor computers. This PNY kit is designed to breathe new life into your machine, especially if you're finding it struggling with demanding applications or multitasking. The immediate benefit of upgrading to 64GB is the sheer headroom it provides. You can run multiple applications simultaneously, keep numerous browser tabs open, and work with large files without experiencing the dreaded slowdown. This is a game changer for content creators, gamers, and anyone who relies on their laptop for heavy workloads. The 3200 MHz speed is also a significant factor. It allows your processor to access data much faster than slower RAM, resulting in snappier response times and smoother overall performance. The kit is also backwards compatible, meaning it will work with laptops that support slower speeds like 2666 MHz, 2400 MHz, and 2133 MHz, although you won't get the full 3200 MHz benefit on those systems. The PNY kit features a CAS latency of 22, which is fairly standard for DDR4 SODIMMs. It operates at 1.2 volts, which is energy efficient and helps to prolong battery life in laptops. Installation is generally straightforward, but always consult your laptop's manual for specific instructions. Overall, the PNY Performance 64GB DDR4 SODIMM kit is a solid upgrade option for anyone looking to improve their laptop's performance. The increased capacity and speed can make a noticeable difference in everyday tasks and demanding applications. If you're in the market for a RAM upgrade, this PNY kit is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.